This 2020 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT5 36B5 is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, TV, Skylight, LP detector, refrigerator, slide-out, microwave, external shower, smoke detector, awning, auxiliary battery, and 82 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, 2 full baths. This 2020 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT5 36B5 is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.